thank you all of you for coming to listen to this lecture. First of all, I welcome all of you who came to listen to this lecture. People from the city who are coming to cross all these jams, and I give a special thanks to them because they are suffering from the jam. They have suffered from the jam too, and came here. I am thankful to students of the university, faculty of the university, research scholars, people of social movements, all of them who came to attend this lecture in spite of all hurdles. I am receiving phone calls from many friends, university professors, those who are on the way, and they are saying it will take half an hour. Someone is saying it will take 45 minutes. I am still in the jam. So people will join, but we need to start this lecture because we have time constraints also. I also welcome eminent scientist, Professor Ashok Senji from HRI. You all know him better than me, and he came here to listen to this lecture. It's a matter of pride for us. And I'm thankful to Ramachandra Guha, who has spared his time to accept our request. He accepted our request and spared his time to come to Allahabad in spite of lot of jam from Banaras to Allahabad road. And he faced all this jam and came yesterday in the night 12. So Allahabad has a problem this time because of a lot of constructions are going on. So we are very thankful to him that he has made time for us. I'm thankful to Mr. Rajan who came, who always come for our academic programs, who is chairman of our board of governors, for this lecture and also to attend meeting. So Mr. Rajan will share this lecture, and you know better than Ramachandra Guha better than me, because I received calls from many people that we know him, we rate him, we want to listen to his lecture. And so we all read, many of you read him and know him better than me. But even then, I am introducing him. Ramachandra Guha is a historian and biographer, originally trained as a sociologist. He has taught at Yale and Stanford University, the University of Oslo, the Indian Institute of Science, and the London School of Economics. Guha's large body of work covering a range of fields and yielding a number of rational insights had made him a significant figure in the Indian historical studies. He is valued as one of the major historians of the late 20th and early 21st century. Time magazine has called him Indian democracy's preeminent chroniclers. Decorated with Padma Bhushan in 2009, Guha's awards include Leopold's Heidi Prize, Malcolm Adisesaya Award, Sahitya Academy Award, and the Fukuoka Prize in 2015. And Professor Guha is also a very known public intellectual. He intervened in various social issues. You read him from the tutor to popular articles, to research books, to biographies. So his range is so wide. He expressed him in various ways. And he reached to you on various issues and in various ways. And you know, he always take a stand against injustices, which is happening in the society. So he has another value added in his personality. And that's why he's very valuable for us. He's not only a scholar, he's also public intellectual. And we value him because he's a very nice human being. I met him in 1998 when I was in IIS Shimla, and he visited there as visiting professor. And that time we had an interaction. And we always see him, one of the ideal, one of the reference point. He's a great scholar, good human being, public intellectual, so who always intervene in the struggle of justice and against injustice. So with these words, may I request Professor Ramachandra Guha ji to deliver his lecture for us.